you guys, this is Mansi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another video where we are going to talk about nail and nail extensions. Now, if you are a girl and if you go to salon regularly to get your extensions done, you know that these cost a lot of money and time. Like the amount of time you need to spend at a salon to get your nails done is 4 to 5 hours depending upon the design, of course, but it's ridiculous. I don't see myself going to salon for nail extensions and spending 4 to 5 hours. So the whole point of making this video is to share with you a really pocket friendly replacement of such nail extensions, which is way more convenient. And yeah, with that being said, I think we should get started with the procedure. Actually, before we get started with this video, I think I should share with you two basic products that you will need for this video, for this nail extension. The first product is of course nails. Now, I got this one from a local market, but the same set is available on Amazon, so I'm gonna link that in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. These come with like 50 other nails, but I have used almost all of them, and along with that they have given this glue base to, these are press on nails basically. So you need a base to stick your nail onto, but this stick on base is not that sturdy, so I would recommend to go ahead and buy this nail, what do you call it, glue. Yes, this is a nail glue, and yeah, it comes with a brush inside, which is very convenient to apply, and it's not opening. This one comes with a brush inside, so the application procedure is very easy, just like a nail paint, and this is very heavy duty. I have been wearing this nail since 48 hours and they don't budge. None of them has come out yet, so yeah, it's really heavy duty, I can say. And yeah, these are two basic things that you will require, and yeah, now we should get started with the procedure. So the things that you'll need for this nail extensions are a nail remover, cotton pads, nails, nail glue, nail color. You can use any color of nail paints that you have at your home, and a nail filer. First, remove the existing nail paint if you have them on your nails. After that, here I am showing you how the nail stick-ons and the fake nails look like. Take a nail and measure it according to your nail size, and then one by one lay it out on a flat surface. Now it's time to buff the nails with the help of filer or a buffer, and then apply the glue. Be a little quick while applying the nail glue because it dries out really quickly, like in seconds. Apply the nails and there you go. You will have a plain basic nails on. File them up so that you can get rid of the rough edges that's there on the nails. Now comes the time where you can go crazy with your creativity, which is applying the paints and doing your own choice of nail art. Here I am going ahead with a powder blue color. I'm obsessed with pastel colors, you guys, and my base color is done. Moving forward, I'm gonna do a little nail art on my ring finger, starting off with green abstract line. And here I thought my nails are in the frame, but guys, come on, the artist in me was so focused, she forgot to be in the frame. And now, just following the same pattern with two different colors, I'm gonna complete this cute little abstract art, which is not really an art, but this is the max I could do. And that is it, you guys. Here is the final outcome. You can go ahead and do the top coat or the final coat on these nails. I did not have that, so I skipped it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I did two other designs, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope this video was helpful to you. That was it for the video, you guys. I hope this video is helpful to you, and I hope you liked my nails. Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, goodbye.